stitch it with the persimmon stuff,
and
on
the
top
paper
of
will
that,
stick on the bamboo.
you can make it stick. Yeah.
それもなんかどっかやってるとかありそうだけど、それをねしてもらえるといいんですけど。
そうですよね。
だからその
ボテはここないですね。
あ、ナイス。お茶の研究所とか宇治のしらすにあるんですけど、その炭の。
ああ、なるほど。
稼働してなくてもまあせめて見せてもらえたらね、あれやと思うんで。
あ、なるほど。
で、その。
So it's an evolution of just finding a way to create heat and have something that is sturdy and you can push on it on top of it. And the bamboo is what creates the sturdiness. The paper is what allows you to move on it. And I also got an address where you can buy the persimmon stuff.
That's interesting. Okay.
So
the persimmon stuff is what you put on the paper.
Yes. So you could make something of bamboo lats yourself, stick some paper on it, throw this persimmon over it, and you can make something yourself.
I have to find the
オリジナルを知った上で、それをこう鉄板と紙で再現するのと、それしか見たことなくてそれを作るのでは多分再現性が変わってくると思う。
そうですね。So and he knows a place where they have it still.
They have what?
The bamboo application.
That's funny. Does he have a picture of it?
写真はないですかね。
ああ、今持ってないですね。
Where is the place?
It's in a research center in the neighborhood. Well, not in the neighborhood, but in town.
Oh, okay.
So maybe for next visit,
Yes.
we can put together some research center tour.
Nara and then
Nara, here,
いつ頃行かれますか？今所長多分僕知ってる人なんで。
あんまりこう長くはまだいらっしゃらないけど、また何回か来られるので、次ぜひ。
あ、なるほどなるほど。
また。
そう。When will you back home?
April 17. 17
日。
ああ、17。ああ、うん、そう。
でもまた来はるし、また相談します。
Or you can send me a picture.
Well, next time you come, we can go together.
Yeah, hopefully. Cross my finger.
So how do you know each other?
Internet.
Internet.
He's good on internet.
Famous person.
Famous on internet.
You find him?
Yes, I found him on internet. Looking for good Japanese tea, and I found him. He's doing his job well.
頑張ってます。最後に紅茶だけざっと入れていいですか？
あ、そうですね。
これちょっと開けていきましょう。
At a Hoiro table will be better. You know, I'm looking for professional tools because I told you about my project, you know, my whole project. I told you that I'm gonna have a shelter.
Yes.
So I want that to live that, you know, so they can run it by themselves.
Right.
So I need some tools.
You need
some tools that are easy to use.
Which is if you can make the table yourself, if you learn how to make it, then if there's something to it, because also here when they put a lot of effort in it, it needs to be refurbished. You need to add a piece of paper where there's a hole in it or when it tears.
Yes.
You need to be able to do that yourself.
Maybe we can find a map of the table, no?
Or we figure out what the original intention of the thing was, and then you create something.
Yes. Because we don't have even bamboo table, you know. It's not our culture. We don't have bamboos. We have bamboos in the gardens, but we don't know how to cut it and how to make a table with it.
But what do you have? You've got reed, you've got straw. You can make bamboo baskets or woven baskets. Didn't you have that in Europe? Something that you weave with.
鉄板はありますよね、フランス。
And you do have iron plate.
Yes, we do have iron. That we have, for sure.
Only stone.
Yes.
Maybe even this maybe a bit.
その
Yes, we used to cook in the chimney, you know, in the chimney with an iron.
向こうだとパンとかピザとかあるじゃないですか。その窯の技術とか、そういったものがの方がこう材料として使いやすい気はするんですけど。
Yeah, probably something like for bread making or.
It was yes, like an oven. It was like an oven. But it always, you know, more iron and stone. You know this culture of rolling and with fire.
What do you mean?
The tea, they are rolling with fire underneath it. I'm just thinking of what we cook like that. I don't think we cook anything like that.
火があってその上で手をやけどせず揉むっていうそういうあれが向こうにはない。
いやけどね、それ火との距離。
It's the distance from the heat. It's the amount of heat that you apply to the surface. And it should still be fine if you put the heat lower,
And something
warm the plate, and have like some kind of paper on top. It shouldn't be scorching hot to really, because they also adjust the heat. They put less heat so that the plate doesn't get as hot.
Yes.
火のコントロール
So
と
the control of the heat is important.
でその熱さを調整して手もみされたんですよね。触れまして、その40度ぐらいなんでお茶の温度持てないってことは多分熱すぎる。
So yes, it's important to control the heat. If you can't touch the
No, you cannot roll the leaves then.
no.
多分ね、そのガスの方が調整はしやすい。
The whole thing. He's continuing to film. Oh, I forgot he was filming.
You did it. Yes, that's what it's about. It's a natural. 動画撮ってるのを忘れてた。
So this is the hojicha?
No, the wakocha, the black tea.
That's the black tea.
Yes.
I will never sleep tonight.
Well, I think you'll sleep fine.
With all the tea.
Yes.
It's a trip just for tea. I'm not doing anything else than tea. So it can be very boring for others.
But it is very exciting when I do trips.
If you like teas, yes. But the problem is I go wherever I have an appointment, and you know, people who give me appointment, they do how they can with their agenda. So I'm going all the time back and forth and back and
も
forth.
うなんかどこかで会う人がいればそこに移動したりするから行ったり来たりして。
It would have been tiring for my husband.
You're so powerful. You are so powerful.
I'm not powerful. I'm eager to do what I want to do, you know?
自分がやりたいことをやりたい。
That's good. お茶作りは旦那さんと一緒にやるんです。
Is your husband going to help you with the tea making?
Yes, yes. He's helping a lot. Even when I'm not there, he was reading
うん
and
雰囲気とかも
yeah,
今してたので、
うん、
yeah, he's helping a lot.
旦那さんはものづくりは得意ですか？
Is he good at making things? Is he good with his hands?
He's very good with nature,
自然
with animals and
と
nature.
か動物とかで結構いいので、多分
He has a natural way, you
あ
know.
のその栽培に関しては多分得意でしょう。
旦那さんにもそのね手もみのやつとか見といてもらったら帰ってから作ってくれるんです
そうですね。So probably best that your husband also sees the rolling process and all, so that he can help you with the tea making.
Sure. We have to figure out how. I mean, he's more into technology,
うん
actually.
これはもっとこうテクノロジーが興味があるから、多分機械系とかそういったものはもっと、まあ、わかるかなっていう。
うん、
He likes nature, but I don't know how much he will like the processing.
そうだから栽培とかは多分結構いろいろ手伝ってもらえるだろうけど、手で作るその製茶はどうなのかなって。
別に製茶自体をしてくれなくても製茶する機械を作ってくれれば
Well, if he makes a machine, for example, if he understands the process and can come up
Yes,
with,
maybe.
with
Yeah, actually,
machine approaches. That,
actually, maybe. Yeah.
yeah.
But when I was saying technology, he's more into computer. Yes, IT more.
Okay.
'But you know, I think tea is magical. Maybe when he will see the transformation, he will like it. You know? I think there is
Yeah.
energy in tea.
まあひょっとしたらね、茶葉がいろんなこう形に変化していく、そういうことを見たらひょっとしたら。
ありがとうございま
いただき
す。
ます。いいですね。
ありがとうございます。
紅茶まだ結構あるんですか？
ありがとうございます。はい。
He always lets it age, so this is from 2019.
Oh, okay. Does it get better aging?
He thinks it does.
Just with the black tea and the pu'er, or with the sencha also?
いやエイジングしてから出すようにしてるのは紅茶だけで、その
He only does that with black tea.
Only black tea.
Because in the beginning it's too green and pungent, and that mellows out later.
ホワイトティーとかジャパニーズプーアールとかはできてすぐも飲みますし、その変わっていく過程が面白い。
He also looks at the other teas, how they change, but with the black tea he doesn't sell it immediately.
Oh.
The other teas he does sell when they're ready. The black tea is just, it's not, it's better if you let it age first. So
Does it roast it regularly or not? You just let it be.
What do you mean?
I mean, each year, does he take it out and roast it a little bit, or no? He just let the
もう
tea
その
in
ま
the
ま放っておくんですか？それとも毎年ちょっとこうまた加熱をしたり。He just lets it be. The lesson of today. ありがとうございました。また長々と。
bag. ありがとうございます。
じゃあちょっと紹介していいですか。フラン フランスでお茶作りを始められたマリアさんと茶の実鶴園のティアスさんでした。
ありがとうございます。
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 ありがとうございます。さよなら。